So, ahead of the Pixel 9 launch on August 13th, Google has unveiled new details about its next-gen smartphones through various teasers on social media. The company recently released a YouTube video confirming several features of the Pixel 9 Pro. The video highlights features such as Image Extender, which uses AI to analyze and extend image content in any direction, and Clear Calling, which enhances call clarity by improving the audio quality of phone conversations. Additional teased features include Zoom Enhance, which provides lossless zoom in video recording, and Ask the Video, which scans videos to answer user queries. Google also confirmed that the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL will feature Pixel Screenshots, which saves and processes details from screenshots, allowing users to revisit them later. Another significant feature is Pixel Satellite SOS, enabling users to contact emergency services via satellite connectivity when cellular signal is unavailable. An earlier leak suggested this service might be free for the first 2 years. The new phones will also retain several classic Pixel features, such as Best Take, which combines multiple photos into one optimal image, and Magic Eraser, which automatically removes distracting elements from photos. Further insights come from a series of hands-on images posted on XDA forums, showcasing what is said to be the Pixel 9 Pro XL. One image includes a partial spec sheet, indicating it might come with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS storage. The latest image also reveals that the Pixel 9 Pro will use Samsung's Exynos 5400 5G modem, an upgrade from the Exynos 5300 found in the Pixel 7 and Pixel 8. Pricing details for the Pixel 9 series have also been leaked. The Pixel 9 is expected to start at €899 for the 128GB variant, while the 256GB model may cost €999. The Pixel 9 Pro will likely be priced at €1,099 for the 128GB version, €1,199 for the 256GB variant, and €1,329 for the 512GB model. The Pixel 9 Pro XL could start at €1,188 for the 128GB model, going up to €1,689 for the 1TB variant. The August 13th event promises to reveal the full scope of these advancements and solidify Google's position as a leading innovator in the tech industry. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.